Hey guys, good morning. It's 7 a.m. on Thursday, May 9th, and I actually just came out to take the trash out, and I wanted to do a quick follow-up video from my first few videos about Scott versus Milorganite. So I just wanted to give you an update. If you haven't seen my first few videos, I'm going to put a link in the description, so please go ahead and watch those videos. But just wanted to give you an update on what my lawn is looking like right now after those applications. So if you notice, there's a lot of greenery going on here. Still a few patches that still in the process of repairing. If you saw my first video, you remember this area right here was pretty much it was an open area. Since then, if you look at this right here, there's a lot of runners that are going into the open spaces there, so everything's seems to be repairing itself. But again, just wanted to make a quick video to show you how my lawn is looking right now. So I think it's coming along pretty good. I actually, to be honest, because I see it every day, I actually do not notice much of a difference until I start comparing it to my neighbor here, which they're already talking to me about, what am I doing to the lawn to make it look like that. So I'm most likely going to be helping them to try to get their lawn to this level here. But I have several of my neighbors just come up to me. They're asking me, hey, what products are you using? What are you doing? And so they just ask me for advice. So I think that's a good sign that whatever I'm doing here, it's kind of paying off. Whatever work I'm putting in here. So yeah, just wanted to, if you remember this area before, it was a lot worse. Again, there's still some repairing that needs to happen there, but if you notice, it's kind of filling up. There's not so much brown as it was before. But yeah, just wanted to provide more updates coming up. I haven't made a video in a while. This is another little area right here. Look at that. Look how thick it's starting to get. And I'll probably give you guys details on everything I've applied to my lawn since I created that first video, Milorganite versus Scott versus Milorganite. So, alright guys, y'all have a good day.